Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Afiq Ikmal bin Ishak with Matric number BG01403. Today I would like to explain about the fundamental aspects of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, what known as Fourth Industrial Revolution, refers to the vision of future production systems. Initially, the German government officially approved and implemented Industry 4.0 to support automation in manufacturing and to strengthen Germany's competitiveness in the industry. For your information, it is important for us to know that there are 7 fundamental aspects of Industry 4.0. So, the first is Cyber Physical Systems or CPS. CPS combine computing and physical processes playing a key role in Industry 4.0. CPS automatically responds to inputs, providing fast control and feedback verification to produce predicted outputs. CPS evolves in 3 generations, the first with identification technologies, the second equipped with limited sensors and actuators, and the third which stores and analyzes data while being compatible with networks. Second aspect is the Internet of Things, or known as IoT. IoT is a growing concept that brings together various technologies and methods based on the interaction between physical objects and the Internet. IoT refers to the connection of physical devices, cars, buildings, and other items that have electronic software, sensors, and network connection to collect and share data. This helps create a smart manufacturing environment, also known as smart factory. Third, we have artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analytics. AI can be generally defined as branch of computer science focused on developing systems that handle data in ways that emulate human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and self-improvement. Meanwhile, big data analysis is used to collect and examine large datasets with the goal of improving production quality, saving energy, and reducing production costs. AI technologies can be seen as tools that help systems understand their surroundings, process the data they collect, solve complex problems, and learn from experience to improve their ability to perform specific tasks. The fourth is cloud computing. It is a computing service that includes servers, storage, databases, network, or software provided through the internet. Users do not need to spend a lot of money in physical equipment but only pay for the services they use, which is usually more affordable. For example, cloud computing services like Amazon Web Services that allow business to store data and manage networks without the need for expensive physical servers, paying only for the resources they use, which is more cost effective. The fifth aspect is additive manufacturing or 3D printing. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a computer-controlled process used to create 3-dimensional objects. This process of 3D printing with computers is more cost-effective compared to expensive companies that will need to spend on traditional methods to create prototypes. For example, in the automotive industry, 3D printing is used to create prototype car parts quickly and cost-effectively, allowing manufacturers to test designs before mass production. Next aspect is robotics and automation. With recent advancement, robots are now capable of performing complex tasks as well as daily routines. They can be monitored and controlled remotely, and can also be programmed to operate in the same working environment as humans. For example, in the automotive industry, robots are used to perform complex tasks like assembling engine parts, welding, and painting cars, and they can also work alongside humans while being monitored and controlled remotely. Last, the seventh aspect is the cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is essential for the successful implementation of Industry 4.0, as the increased connectivity demands the protection of vital industrial systems from cyber threats. The 3 core principles of information security, known as CIA triad, including the first, confidentiality, the second, integrity, and the third is availability. Without these security measures, the successful adoption of Industry 4.0 cannot be achieved. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.